Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we continue the last topic in lesson 5. We will do the conditional formatting. Okay, so in the previous video we have discussed on data filtering. Okay, so we go to conditional formatting. Okay, so conditional formatting is a feature of Excel which allows you to apply a format to a cell or a range of cells based on certain criteria. For example, the following rules are used to highlight cells in the conditional format. So, to use data filtering or the data conditional formatting, we just use the existing data. For example, we have this sample data for product ID, description, and total price. So conditional formatting is just for formatting, as its name as a conditional formatting. So how we want to use, we just highlight all these cell. Yes. Okay, so this one, C2 until 11. Then go to conditional. So want to find out the conditional formatting. So this one is for data validation. Okay, so at home, so click at home and then we go to the conditional formatting. Okay, just use the greater than, less than, between, and we just want to make a format for this data. Okay, so let's say we choose for greater than. Okay, then we put as colors, light, fill, dark, text. Okay, that's all for conditional formatting. And we just make some format for this data. So let's say we go to this cell. Okay, then go to conditional formatting. So now maybe we can put between. Okay, so between. Okay, so we have 12,000. Okay, we try. So go to between. Okay, so now we put some condition here. We want to just highlight for between 10,000. Okay, data 10,000. Okay. Okay, so between 30,000. Okay, so 30,000. Oh, sorry, 30,000. All right. Okay, then we choose as okay, yellow. Yellow fill with dark yellow text. Okay. Then we click OK. So now that will be highlighted with the yellow color. Okay. Then we just like a formatting. We just format. For this conditional formatting to highlight which data that we want to highlight. Okay, so that's all about lesson 5. So previously in the previous video I have shown you how to use data validation. So in data validation we have data validation option. Depends on which data that we want to validate. Okay, so either you are using this criteria, okay, whole number, decimal, list, date, time, text length, and custom. Okay, so then I have shown you how to use the custom data validation using custom and using list. Okay, so I want to change it. This one should be state. State. All right. Okay, and next I have shown you how to use the filtering. Okay, so use filter to make to analyze data and then to select which data that we want to analyze or which data we want to print as our report. Okay, so the last one we have conditional formatting. So that's all about lesson 5. So we will continue with another video for another topic in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so please do your next exercise, okay, for data validation. Okay, have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.